Keeping your cool, mastering emotional control in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in English: to keep one's cool. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the culture behind language. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's important in communication. To keep one's cool is an idiomatic expression that means to remain calm and composed, especially in stressful or challenging situations. It suggests the ability to control one's emotions and reactions, regardless of external pressures. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal interactions to professional environments. While the exact origins of this phrase are hard to pinpoint, it reflects the value placed on emotional restraint and calmness in many cultures. Over time, keeping one's cool has become a popular way to describe someone's capability to handle pressure with grace and without losing temper. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to incorporate "to keep one's cool" into your everyday language. Even when the debate became heated, she managed to keep her cool, impressing everyone with her poise. It's important to keep your cool when you're dealing with difficult customers. Despite the chaos around him, he kept his cool and found a solution to the problem. Notice how this phrase can easily fit into various situations, making your speech more vivid and expressive. Here are a few tips to help you keep your cool in real-life situations. Take deep breaths to calm your mind. Practice patience. Remind yourself that getting upset won't solve the problem. Stay positive and look for constructive solutions instead of focusing on the negative. Implementing these strategies can help you embody the essence of this phrase in your behavior as well as your language. Thank you for watching today's video on "to keep one's cool." We hope you found this exploration enlightening and that you can now confidently use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, keeping your cool is not just about language mastery. It's about cultivating an attitude that will serve you well in all walks of life. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and keep practicing. Stay calm, stay curious, and as always, keep learning.